Today we're in San Luis Obispo. We're at Laguna Middle School, home of the Lancers, and today we're here to
Do the math! Woo! Yeah!
All right, today we're at Laguna Middle School in San Luis Obispo, and I've got Isabella, a 7th grader, ready to work with us. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I love New York. You love New York? All right, we're going to do a good problem together, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's turn around. For some students that are out there watching right now, they may be like, well, what's the deal with her New York shirt on there? How would you say that? How do you think a Californian person would say that?
Coffee.
Coffee. And how would a New Yorker say that?
Coffee.
Coffee, there you go. All right, so I just wanted to make sure we're on the same playing level here, all right?
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to subtract some fractions, right? That's what you want to do? Okay, so we'll put our 2 fraction bars here, and we'll put our subtraction symbol. So, what is the first number you'd like to work with?
13.
13. Let's put that here.
4.
4. Good, because 4 minus 13 is not going to be easy for you.
8.
8. And what's your other number?
12.
Let's see what this comes out to be. It could come out to be something weird where we have a negative number, possibly. You all right with that?
Sure.
Okay. So, what do we need to do first?
You need to find a common denominator.
Right, the least common denominator, and what would that be?
That would be
Because our denominators are 12
24.
and 8, and you just said it would be...
24.
Okay, so why don't you go ahead and write down your new fraction bars with 24s. And some students might be like, well, how'd you get 24?
8 times 3 is 24, and 12 times 2 is 24.
Right, and if some students didn't know that offhand, what they could do is they just start counting by 12s, the multiples, 12, 24, 36, 8, 16, 24, until you come to the first one that is common. That would be the least. And you came up with 24 in your head. Nicely done. Now what?
Now you have to subtract those 2.
But do we do that first? Because we turned this from a 12 into a 24.
Oh, so you multiply this one times 3
We went from 12 to 24, and what did we do?
times 2.
Times 2. So we're going to multiply this by,
2.
and what do we get?
You get 8.
Okay, so we'll put an 8 over 24. So that will be that fraction equivalent. And what do we do here?
You multiply that one times 3.
Okay, and what do we get?
39.
39. So this is nice, because if I had reversed it, we could just go 39 minus 8. Okay? But the way we've got it set up, what is the problem now?
8 24ths minus 39 24ths.
Right. So, what do you do? Because you don't usually go 8 minus 39 and get a nice number, right? Is the number going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
It's going to be negative. Okay? So if we had 8 and we took away 39, where
Then
would we
you
be
would
left at?
have negative 31.
Negative 31. Perfect. So go ahead and write that down. And it's negative 31
24th.
24ths. Okay? So even though this came out to be a negative number, it's still not that difficult. As long as you know your integers, you can go 8 minus 39 is a negative 31. And negative 31 24ths is a valid number, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. You going back to Brooklyn soon?
Maybe this summer.
Maybe this summer. Well, maybe when I'm in Queens, I'll see you, all right? Nice job, Isabella.
Thank you.